Hello, everyone. My name is Shizhen Wang, and this video is for FIT5225 Assessment 1 test. At the first part of this video, we need to focus on web service, and this is my source code for the application, the web service. And the first of this coding, we need to import the necessary packages and define the priced arguments. And we need to load the necessary files. First, we define the path of these files and using three methods to get specific values from these files. Then we define the method to achieve the main functions, production the image. And this file defines the output and using the global value to freeze the image and provide the provides the boarding books and the social probabilities. In this part, it initials the list of the boarding books and confidence in the class ID, and using two loop to looping the outputs and the detections, and track the detection into three necessary value to help us to go to the good protection. In the part is the flip out the better protection and store the four values to set the bounding of the books on the image for to distinguish the label in the image. And this sentence is apply on maximum suppression to suppress the weak overlapping bounding boxes, using the diction to and a set of list to store the necessary values and return area, and using the method to load the model in this part. And in this part, we set the post and get the method for the clients to get a result from the service. When it's the post, or when it's the post, the request got the value which has a format of the JSON. We got this data and store it into the image and transform this image format into the necessary format of the value into the production functions. We got the result, and using this function to transform the JSON format into the string. Okay, and drop of that, and it's because it's the multi-thread, so this parameter needed to be true, and the host is 0 0.0.0.0. And the Docker file, the first sentence is we initiate the base image, and using these two sentence to tells the virtual machine to insert into update the necessary packages. And this sentence is set the workspace and adds the all field into the workspace, and copy the requirements text into the Docker image of the requirement text in the Docker image. And this two sentences run the instant all updates all packages into the Docker image and the necessary packages into the requirements, which is all need to update. In this sentence, it defines the command which could involve the coding into the container. We need to update the Docker file requirements and this coding into the virtual machine. And this part, we have the user instance in the Nectar. And we could check the container list first. And we could see the node, the cluster. These two clusters, one is for the workers and another for the control plane. The workers is have all the deployment of pod for executing the necessary function. Yeah, and this this it has stopped. This is the cluster I created the 12-hour ago to execute the Docker image. So see the Docker image. This Docker image have the including the all the Docker files requirements and the web services the content into this Docker image, and this part is defines the two clusters and defines the necessary port. The worker port is to 22,000 and the host port is 80. So and that's the D. And this part we use in the container to connect the service with the 5,000 port, the port of 5,000. And this part is I remember. Oh yeah, this point is defining which Docker image we used. The last list is if I delete this Docker image they using the latest one. And this is the service coding and is connect with the deployment and the using this to connect the worker cluster and using this to connect the deployment. I remember I run the okay, it is not wrong, so I run it the Docker image. Let's start it. It's okay. So now it's running now. So we could check the condition of the all nodes deployments pods authorize user wide. Oh no, this one is complete. Oh, I forgot to get. Yeah. We could say the pod is running. It's because in this part we define. I defined it play state two, so they had the two pod. And it's because it's running, so we could use the local part. The client. I think it's coding. Bigger character. And the input folder, which folder including all the image or the symbols into the folder. You could say the all the picture and the HTTP. Oh no. Oh. It's because the worker's port is 80, so it needed to define the 80. It's because I changed a little part of this thread, so you could say it's running. You could say it is running normally. So that's it. Thank you very much.